Welcome back, folks, another episode of Homestead Fabricator. Today I'm going to see if I can get the Timberpro 25cc chainsaw up and running. It's been in storage for 3 years. It's got cobwebs on it, don't know how well you could see that. So it hasn't been used. It was stored with no gas in the tank, so left but not much. So hopefully the carb was dry at the time. I hit the primer bulb a few times, but we'll see. Problem is filling up this way. I can't see. This thing only holds a like a thimble of gas. Actually overfilled it where it's leaking out. Maybe hopefully a line didn't crack while I was in storage. This saw always ran good. Gosh, it's got a tiny bar. It's like a 10-inch bar on there, I swear. And way overfilled the bar oil. We only have like 3 ounces of oil. So we'll see if this is a success or not. It popped. Yeah, this chain brake, something was goofy from the beginning on this thing. Okay. It sounds like it's idling good, so I know it's fine there, but it sounds way rich. I'll have to tune this up because that's probably way too low. So what do you think? 3 years they had the cobwebs on to prove it. Basically, this is a generic 25cc chainsaw off of anywhere. This I happen to be branded Timberpro. Was available in the UK, where I got it from. It's available in Ireland and other parts of Europe. So somehow I got it off of Amazon, got it imported to the US. It took 3 days to get here when I ordered it, like 6, 7 years ago. Can't believe this thing runs. Unbelievable.